Hello guys, thanks for watching my video. Please watch till end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. It's time for watching.
Hello guys, today we are making rabbits from tissue. Let's start with folding the tissue. I am requesting to you please watch full video and like, subscribe and share my video. I am stopping my voice for some time, please watch the full video. You need a clear tape and some piece out of it and use on it. And then you need a black marker or pointer and make a rabbit face. Then you need a blush and use blush on the rabbit cheeks and ears. How did the cute rabbit already? This idea is from Pinterest app, the best app for art and craft ideas. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Okay, bye.